Hi, I'm Mel. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who has subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And in today's video, I am no professional, but my nephew thinks that I make the best cakes. In fact, my mum made the cake, but I'm just decorating it. But apparently, there we go, I have to make it. So this won't be a professional looking cake as such, but he wanted a football cake. So I'm going to show you how I decorate it basically. So he wanted marble cake, and this is the cake, and each layer is a 5-egg cake, and it's the same recipe as my Christmas tree cake, so I'll leave that in the information button and down below so you know what that recipe is. But obviously it's 5 eggs, so work that out for the quantities of the other stuff. And he just wanted icing in the middle. So then I've got green icing in here, which is a little bit of milk, butter and icing sugar all mixed together, and then green fondant, green icing colour, which is Kelly's green. And then we got these from Amazon, weren't they? Yeah. Amazon or eBay for the players and the goal. And then I've got white fondant here, which is going to be for the lines and the football. So I'm just going to ice this now with a knife and the icing, and yeah. So now that the green is covered, I'm going to roll out my white icing a little bit to do the lines. I haven't got any icing sugar left though, have I? No. So I've got the white on the greaseproof paper, and then I just roll it out so it's thin. But because we haven't got any icing sugar left, it's just going to stick massively. So there is the cake. It's pretty good, it could be better. I did have green fondant icing, but it was too small to fit the whole cake. And it was the time we did it last night, it would have been too late to go and buy some. So we did it with icing instead. This is it, I'll show you from the top view. So this is what it looks like. We think it's probably an American football pitch, but that's what Pinterest showed me. But there we go. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below what sort of cake you would make for yourself or for your niece, nephew, child, whoever. Please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching. Bye.